staying over in the Peak District for a few days, so Higger Tor wasn't planned, but I seen a space, so I got into the car parking, and here we are. I just met up with a lovely old man called Dave, just come down from Higger Tor, 80 years old, just been up for a stroll. We had a lovely chat. So David, if you ever see this, it was lovely to meet you. So here we are then. It's just parked on the side of the main road. Seems like everyone's doing it, so it seems okay. So we start here, we'll go up that path there and up to the top. I'm going to plan on walking across that ridge. Let's go. There's two ways you can go, the smooth way or up the steps. I think these steps were made for a giant, look at the size of them. I'm told the views at the top are absolutely amazing. Well, I've never been up Higger Tor before, so we're going to find out in a couple of minutes. Yeah. Look along the back, look, you can see how many people are out today in the peaks. There's camper vans all the way across the edge there. I absolutely love it up here. Even when it's crowded, it's peaceful. So we'll go to the left first, and we'll walk along the ridge. Sometimes I have to ask myself what I think I'm doing, being scared of heights, and yet here I am, standing on the edge. Living on the edge is the best place to live. That's as good a view as anywhere in the world. Wow. We've come left on the route today, and then we'll walk round along the big ridge I showed you earlier and take it from there. Again, it's another gritstone edge, so the paths are really easy to walk, but do be mindful there are some big stones hanging about. No parkour, it's banned.
No parkour. I'll be doing backflips in a minute.
Yeah, off the edge. Had a little bit of a giggle with a young lad from London called George, lovely lad, and his girlfriend. Took a couple of pictures for me. Here they are. And I say it almost every video, and I'll keep saying it, when you get outside and outdoors, you meet some really beautiful souls, some lovely people. So, George, if you're watching, thank you for that. And don't forget, keep backflipping. You can see why this place is Really popular with boulderers and climbers. I just stood on the top of that, and it don't look very high on here, but it does when you're up there. What a day, I know. There's 2 walks I've done this year, and the weather on both has been like summer. It's just beautiful. Heathland and moorland to the right side, and your edges to the left. I don't think I'll bother going out to stand on this one. It's a little bit bigger than the rest. There's Stanage over there, we're going to do that tomorrow. Camper vans galore along the roads. But most of them are boulderers. There's a lot of people walking around with their bouldering pads.
You don't need them. Because you need food as anything.
Start making our way back now, and it's again another short one. 305. This is a real fantastic walk for families and views, and like I said earlier, if Instagram's your thing, this is definitely the place for you. Pathways are lovely across the moorland on the way back. Really well trodden paths. Watch out for a few of the little rocks here and there, but apart from that, it's fantastic. I got to say, this has got to be in my top 5 short walks for 2026. Definitely highly recommended short walk, this one. So don't forget, on the website travelsinmyvan.com, go to Tim Discover, and that's where I found this walk. It's a fantastic app where you can search for hikes and walks and things to do and places to go. I'm staying in a campsite, North Lees campsite, this weekend, and that's where I found that. So get yourself over to travelsinmyvan.com and download TIMV. It's free to use, always will be free to use. Oh, look at this, there's an RC club. Brought their remote control cars up. We are back to the beginning. It's time to get to the van for a nice cup of tea, and then head over to the campsite, I think, and set up. So I'll put the link to the GPX and the route map, so if you do want to come and do this walk, you can just press on that link and it'll open the map for you. Yeah, you can come down and do this walk yourself. It's just absolutely stunning. The views are just crazy. Back to the van, look down there in the distance. I think I'm gonna pull a table out and have a cup of tea. Well, that's Higger Tor done. That's another 305, and I'll see you in the next one.